iPhone messages not sending? Let's fix it. The first try, delete old messages. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Next, in the Messages page, look for the contact you want to send a message to. Now, long press on the contact name. A few options will appear. Click on Delete. After that, a pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete to confirm the chat with the selected contact is deleted. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the Compose icon. Next, tap on the plus icon and the contacts list will appear. Then, scroll and select the contact. Now, in the message bar, type the message and click on the upward arrow icon to send. If this method does not work, ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. If this step does not work for you, then try airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now, tap on the airplane icon. Wait 10 seconds, and then turn it off. If this method does not work, then try Check iMessage. For this, go to Settings app on iPhone. Scroll down and click on the Apps option. Again, scroll down and tap on Messages. Look for the iMessage option and turn on the toggle Next to Option. Next, tap Send and Receive and ensure your mobile number or Apple ID is selected. If this step does not resolve the issue, then try Check Date and Time. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. There you will see multiple options. Scroll down to find Date and Time. Tap on it. A few opinions will appear. Make sure the Automatically option is turned on. If this method does not work, then try Check System Status. Open Safari. Search for System Status. Next, tap the official Apple page. There you can see the status of your device. If you don't find any issue, then try Force Restart. Pressing volume up, then volume down, and then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. That's it. Hope this helps. Subscribe for easy tech solutions.